Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 10th chapter number 2 quadratic equation maths first, and in quadratic equation today we will see the word problem of practice set 2.6 question number 9. Please look at the board. Question number 9 is if 460 is dividend, means if 460 is divided means dividend, okay. If 460 is divided by a natural number, okay, suppose 460 is a dividend and we have to divide the 460 by a natural number. Quotient, see, focus here, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. क्वोशंट जो है दैट इज 6 मोर, वो 6 ज्यादा है किससे? 5 टाइम्स मींस 5 मल्टीप्लिकेशन, टाइम्स मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन, 5 टाइम्स मतलब 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय द डिवाइजर. इट मींस व्हाट वी डोंट नो द डिवाइजर, हमें क्या पता नहीं है? डिवाइजर. सो व्हाट वी विल कंसीडर, लेट द डिवाइजर बी x. व्हाट वी विल कंसीडर, लेट द डिवाइजर बी x. Okay, now see the further, and remainder is 1 is given, remainder 1 is given. Now find quotient, we have to find that quotient and we have to find that divisor. Okay, there is a one number 460 that is dividend, that should be divided by any natural number, okay, and that quotient is 6 times more than the 5 times the divisor. It means divisor we don't know, हमें डिवाइजर पता नहीं है. सो वी विल कंसीडर लेट द डिवाइजर बी x. नाउ क्वोशंट क्या होगा? देयरफॉर द क्वोशंट इज, क्वोशंट क्या है? क्वोशंट इज 6 मोर. क्वोशंट क्या है? 6 मोर प्लस 6 ज्यादा है किससे? 5 टाइम्स द डिवाइजर, 5 मतलब 5 टाइम्स मतलब मल्टीप्लिकेशन. डिवाइजर क्या है? डिवाइजर क्या है? x. इट मींस यू कैन से 5x plus 6. Is it clear? I hope you understood. Let the divisor be x. Divisor x है, therefore the quotient is 6 more, 6 ज्यादा है किससे? 5 times, 5 मतलब 5 times means multiplication, 5 times the divisor and divisor is x. So 5x plus 6. Clear? Now here dividend is 460 and remainder is 1. So now we are having divisor, quotient, dividend and remainder. We know in 9th standard we have learned, 9th standard में ये formula हुआ है, you know it. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. You have to learn this. This is important one. You have to learn this. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay. Now you have the formula. You have the values. What is dividend? 460 is equals to, what is divisor here? Divisor x multiply quotient. What is quotient here? 5x plus 6, right? What is remainder? Remainder here plus 1. Now what you will do? You will solve it. Now we will solve this further. 460 is equals to, x will multiply here, x will multiply here, right? So it is 5 ones are 5 x square plus 6x, right? 6 ones are 6 and x. Is it clear? 5 ones are 5 x square. This is plus 6 ones are 6 and x, 6x, right? Plus 1. Now what you will do? This term will go that side, right? This will go that side. So what will remain here? यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? 0, right? So what is 5x square plus 6x plus 1, and this 460 will go there. It will be minus 460, right? Minus 460. So therefore 0 is equals to 5x square plus 6x plus minus, they are like terms, right? नंबर्स है, सो प्लस माइनस होगा, राइट? प्लस माइनस माइनस 460 में से 1 माइनस 460 माइनस 1, हाउ मच? minus 459, right? 460 minus 1, Why minus? Because plus minus minus होगा. 460 minus 1 will be minus 459. Now you can write this like we will make it correct, like that is 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. हम उसको सीधा करेंगे. Clear? Now what you will do? This is the quadratic equation. ये quadratic equation है. Yes. Now we will solve the quadratic equation. Factorization करेंगे. Therefore you will write it again. 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equals to 0. So how you factorize? You know very well how to factorize. Last constant term will multiply to the coefficient of square term, right? So you have to write over there. You multiply this. Minus 459 multiplied by 5. 5 nines are 45. 5 5s are 25 and 4 29. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. So what is the answer? Minus 2295. Okay. Now you have to find what is the middle term here? Plus 6. Plus 6. It means we have to find the factors of minus 2295. Right? Now we will check. 45 multiplied by 51. See. 45 will multiply to 51. 5 ones are 5. 4 ones are 4. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. 5 9 2 2. Yes, it is matched. Yes. So what two factors will be here? 45 multiplied by 51. Your answer is plus 6. So what will be your plus and minus? You can say 51 45 also. Yes or no? So you will write here this is minus and this is plus. Is it clear? Why? Bigger number should be positive because your answer is plus. So bigger number should be positive. This is smaller. So 51 minus 45, answer will be plus 6. Is it clear? बड़े number की sign. Now we will utilize the terms. First term as it is 5x square plus minus 45. So you will write here minus 45x. इसके साथ x है, right? Plus 51x minus 459 is equals to 0. Right? Now you will find out the common terms. Common terms. So what is common here? 5 and x. 5 nines are 45. Right? 5 nines are 45. So 5 is common. X twice x1. So x is also common. So क्या बचेगा from here? X minus 9. 5 nines are 45. Right? Plus, now what is common here? 51. You multiply 51 to 9 times. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. Right? So 51 is a common because 51 table में 495 can comes. 51 nines are 459. इसलिए 51 is common. Yes, 51 is common because 51 के table में 459 can come. 51 nines are 459. So this is 51 will be common. So what is your first bracket? That is only your second bracket always. Yes. Now which bracket comes twice? X minus 9 and which is outside? 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. Right? Now we will solve further. Now we will write x minus 9 is equals to 0 or 5x plus 51 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 9. This minus 9 will go that side. It will be 9 plus 9. Or yeah, see this 5x is equals to minus 51. This 51 will go there. Therefore x is equals to minus 51 upon 5. This 5 will go that side, right? So it will divide because it is 5x multiply है 5x multiplication 5 will go there, it will divide. So what is your answer will be? X is equals to 9. Why? what to be find? We have to find divisor, okay, and we have to find quotient. So divisor cannot be negative, okay. So your answer is, therefore x is equals to 9 is a divisor, so what we have to find? We have to find quotient. So what is quotient? The quotient, therefore the quotient is 5x, right? Quotient is 5x plus 6. So what is the value of x? 9 plus 6. 5 nines are, tell me, 5 nines are how much? 45 plus 6. So 45 plus 6 is how much? 51. So x is equals to 9 is a divisor, and the quotient is how much? 51. So this is how you have to find the divisor and quotient. It is very easy, very simple. I hope you understood here. So dear students, now we will see the question number 10 of practice set 2.c. It is an activity. So it is very much important you have to practice it, okay. But as I have said you earlier, whenever in board exam you will solve an activity, any activity you will solve, first you have to solve it and then you have to fill the boxes. Means you will give whatever the answers you require to fill in the boxes, you will mark it with the pen. With the pen you will make the boxes. Okay, so these boxes you will draw with the pen. Means you have to solve first and then later on whatever boxes you required as per the question given in question paper, you have to make the boxes later on, solve करने के बाद. Okay, now pay attention. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD, it is a trapezium. Okay, see here, AB parallel to CD. AB, this AB is parallel to CD. These two sides are parallel to each other, and its area of trapezium is 33 centimeter square. Okay, area of this trapezium is 33 centimeter square. From the given information in the figure, find the length of all sides of a quadrilateral ABCD. We have to find the length of all the sides of the quadrilateral, that is trapezium ABCD. Fill in the empty boxes to get the solution. Okay, see this side, this side, this side and this side is parallel. Can you see the identical mark? Can you see this identical mark? Two sides, it means this side and this side is equal, congruent. Now we have to solve the given activity. Just please look at the board. This is quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, side AB is parallel to side CD. Okay, these two sides are parallel to each other. Why they are parallel and given? Because the formula, this is A for area of trapezium ABCD. Okay, area of quadrilateral, and that is trapezium. So area of trapezium ABCD is equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by sum of lengths of parallel sides. This formula I have written. It is not given in activity, but this is the actual formula. So what is the formula of trapezium? Area of trapezium ABCD is equals to half multiplied by sum, means addition of lengths of parallel sides. So which two sides are parallel? AB and CD. Can you see here? Sum means addition of two parallel sides, AB parallel to CD, AB plus CD multiplied by height. In this figure, which is height? The symbol which is having altitude, this is altitude, right? So this AM is your height. Is it clear? The height is between two parallel lines. See, AM is your height. Is it clear? AM is your height. Now go down. What is area of trapezium ABCD is given in question? Its area is 33 centimeter square. It is written area of trapezium ABCD is 33 centimeter square. Half as it is. AB value is how much? AB value is x. CD value is how much? CD 2x plus 1. Can you see? Multiply by height AM. AM value is how much? X minus 4. I hope you understood. Very easy, very simple. AB value is x. CD value is 2x plus 1. And AM is the height. So what is the value of AM? X minus 4. Got it? Now can you see I have underlined these two terms are like terms, same hai, x. So 1x plus 2x, how much? 3x plus 1. Now what, see this 2 is in division form, 2 यहाँ पे divide है, division form में है, so ये 2 यहाँ पर जाके क्या होगा? Multiply. So 33 twos are how much? 66. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, right? Now here what will come? The same. Your height is x minus 4. Now my dear students, now first we have to solve these two brackets as I have taught you in 7th, in 8th or in 9th standard. Whenever there will be two brackets and in between there is a multiplication, you have to solve these two brackets. Okay, you have to solve these two brackets. How? You will imaginary cut first bracket before sign ke before you will cut, so there will be two parts, 3x plus 1. So you will solve this bracket, right? How you will solve? Now you will solve this. Please solve this. 3x plus 1 multiply by x minus 4. So what I have said, cut the first bracket, make two parts. So first part is what? 3x, right? Give it the second bracket x minus 4, right? What was the second part? Plus 1. Give it also second bracket only. Is it clear? I hope you understood. We are solving these two brackets because without solving this you cannot understand. So these are the two brackets and there is a multiplication. So whenever there will be two brackets and multiplication between them, we will solve these two brackets separately, so that before first bracket you will cut before the sign, you will make two parts, 3x and plus 1. So 3x you will give the second bracket, plus 1 you will give the second bracket. Now you will solve, you will multiply this to this and you will multiply this to this, right? Yes or no? 3x square means how much? 3x square. See, 3 ones are 3, x square. Sign minus. Now this 3 will multiply to 4. 3 4s are 12 and x. 3 4s are 12 and x. 12x. Now here plus 1 multiply to x. Plus 1x or plus x. Right? 1x or plus x. Now this 1 will multiply to minus 4. So answer is minus 4. Is it clear? Now how you will solve this? These two are like terms. See, these two are like terms. So therefore 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Are you getting it? 3x square. 12 minus 1 minus 11. Minus 12 was bigger number. So sign will come off negative because minus 12 is bigger number. Bigger number sign is negative. So minus 11x minus 4. This is the answer of these two brackets. So what was here? 66. Now we will write here 66 is equals to this one, 3x square minus 11x minus 66 is equals to 3x square minus 11x minus 4. Now what will happen? This 66 will go that side. So here what will remain? 0. 3x square minus 11x minus 4 minus 66. Okay. So therefore you will say 0 is equals to 3x square minus 11x minus 70. Minus 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 addition of number. Minus 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 addition of number. So it is minus 70. Is it clear? Now this is a quadratic equation, yes or no, because x is the only variable and whose highest degree is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. We can write like this, हम उसको सीधा करके लिख सकते हैं. Yes. Now factorize it. Minus 70 will multiply to 3. So what it is? 7 3s are 21, right? Yes or no? So it is minus 210. Why? Minus 70 will multiply to 3. Minus 70 will multiply to 3. It is minus 210. What is in between? Minus 11. So 210 comes in which table? 21 tens are 210, right? 21 tens are 210. So answer is negative. It means bigger number should be negative and smaller number should be positive. Answer negative, so bigger number negative, smaller number should be positive. Now we will write it first term as it is, 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equals to 0, is equals to 0. Now we will find out the common terms. 3 के टेबल में 21 comes, yes, 3 sevens are, so 3x is common. So what is left here? X minus 7. 3 sevens are 21, right? Now here in 10 times 10 70 comes, yes, x minus 7. Why? 10 ones are 10 and 10 sevens are 70. Yes, 10 sevens are 70. Now which bracket comes twice? X minus 7, and which is outside? 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now we will solve further. X minus 7 is equals to 0, or 3x plus 10 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to how much? 7. This minus 7 will go that side, plus 7, or 3x is equals to minus 10. Now therefore this 3 also will go there, it will divide it, yes or no? Yes. So what will be your answer here? Just tell me. What will be your answer? 7. Now what we have to find? X value is how much? 7. Side AB is equals to, length of AB is equals to how much? 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So this side also 5, because these two sides are congruent. Yes. See, the symbol is given here. It means this side BC and AD are same. Now 2x means 2 multiplied by 7. 2 4s are, 2 7s are 14 plus 1. How much? 15. All sides you came to know? Yes. So you will write there, therefore you will write in short, therefore length AB is equals to x is equals to how much? 7. Is it clear? It is given centimeter square. So you will write centimeter. Now BC and AD, you will write length BC is equals to length AD is equals to x minus 2. These two are equal. Why? It is given. ऐसा क्यों है? It is given. So that is 7 minus 2. How much? How much? 5 centimeter. Clear? Now you will find out CD. Length of, therefore length of CD is equals to how much? 2x plus 1. So what is the value of x? 7. So 2 sevens are 14 plus 1 means how much? 15. I hope you understood. 15 what? 15 centimeter. Why? Because it is given 33 centimeter square means all lengths will be in centimeter. After completing this solution, this activity, you will tick mark, okay, which boxes were empty or which boxes you required it, right? X is equals to 7. See, this was there. X is equals to 7. Now 3x plus 10. There are a lot of things were empty over there. 3x square, where is 3? 3x square is equals to this. This was your box 11x and minus 70. This was your box. After solving it, you will give the box with the pen. Remember always. Now this was also your box. 3x plus 10. This was your box. This was your box. Is it clear? X is equal to 7. So this is how you have to solve the given activity. At last you will write everything. AB is equals to how much? 7. BC and AD is equals to how much? 5. And CD is equals to how much? 15 centimeter. Is it clear? So everything you will write. Okay, you will solve it. I hope you understood how to solve this activity. very easy and very much easy to understand. Remember the formula. This is trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to half multiplied by sum of the length of two parallel sides. Parallel sides multiplied by height. This is height. By this altitude symbol you will understand an is a height. Okay, you will solve, and when the two brackets will come and multiplication in between, we will solve it separately, and then there will be a formation of your quadratic equation. Then we will continue from here. This 66 will come from there only. Is it clear? Now we will solve the remaining activity. I hope you understood. Thank you so much and best of luck.